Hello everyone. In this video, I want to give a quick example of a dashboard using the Node-Edge component. As you can see, I've used the Node-Edge component here to visualize a Kubernetes stack with a node, its pods, and their containers, each visualized with their own shape and color. Each of them also have its own KPIs, which you can inspect by hovering over the nodes. For example, the containers have some CPU and memory statistics. The pods also have those memory and CPU information, but also, for example, a namespace or a DNS policy. I can now use this component, this filter component here on the left, to start filtering and highlighting in my Node-Edge topology. For example, I can highlight my pods which are in the namespace media kind, and I can see the ones that are in the cube system namespace are getting faded out. I can combine also those filters to see, for example, which of those media kind pods are running on a memory percentage higher than 1%. I can just use drag and drop to set this filter here. And I can now immediately see that there's only one pod in that namespace which is running at a memory percentage higher than 1. The same I can do for my containers, and I can, for example, filter on the ones that have a memory percentage higher than 0.1%. And not only can I do this highlighting, but I can also use the alarm templates configured in DataMiner to start coloring in those nodes. For example, if I switch them here from analytical to alarm mode, I can see that automatically the color of that pod is changing to the alarm state of that pod in DataMiner. And I can see that those are determined here by the CPU percentage. And I can also see the value of that CPU percentage immediately here below the icon of the pod. And I can do the same for my containers and switch them into alarm mode. And as you can see, immediately the topology will load the alarm color of that container in DataMiner. So I can use this to easily get an overview of what alarms on what KPIs I'm having in my Kubernetes setup.